I'm Elliana Octavia Monifa from 11B number 12. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a tulip flower using crepe paper. Tulip is a representative flower for perfect and deep love. They are ideal to give to someone who you have deep, unconditional love for. But different color of tulip has a different meaning too. Today, I'll make the yellow tulip because it is suitable to give to your best friend because it has cheerful and happiness meaning. For making the tulip flower, we need to prepare the material and the tools first. The material all we need is two color of crepe papers, one for making the petals and one for making the leaf. We need sticks for making each peduncle, and we need a tape for cover the stick. And the tools that we need is a glue gun, glue, ruler, pencil or a pen, and a scissor. Okay, let's begin to making the flower. The first step we need is making the flower petal. For making the flower petal, we use the crepe paper, the yellow one, and we shall cut it into 3 cm wide and 14 cm long. Okay, I'm gonna cut it first. Before cutting it, we need to measure with a ruler and pencil. It will look like this. Measure is as 3 cm wide and 14 cm long. After that, we shall fold it into 3 sections like this. I will show it to you guys. Okay, it will look like this. After that, in this line, we shall twist it twice and bring it to the front and glue it. We do the same for this side too. Twist it twice and glue it like this. Okay, the final look for the petal is like this. For the petal, we need to make around 3 or 4 petals, but you can make as much as you want. Okay, I already done making the petals, so I made 5 petals, 4 for the outer and 1 for the inner. We shall keep it for later. The second step after making the flower petal is making the leaves. Tulips usually have 1 or 2 leaves, so I'm gonna make 1 leaf only. First, you must grab this crepe paper and cut it as long as you want for the leaf, because tulips usually have long leaves. Like this. This is the form of tulip leaf. Okay, we keep it for later too. After we already made all of this petal and leaf, the third step we shall do is arrange the flower. For arranging the flower, first we shall grab the stick and 1 flower petal. We shall stick it together like this. Make sure it is in the middle of the petal. And grab a glue and glue it together. After we finish gluing, we can glue all of this petal around this inner petal. Okay, the next step we shall do is cover the stick with the flower tape. We shall cover under the petal until this long. After we finish cover it all, we can glue the leaf into it. the peduncle. After we cool the leaf, we cover the bottom of the leaf with this tape. Ta-da! This is the final result of the tulip flower. You can make as many as you want, and you can arrange it into a bucket, or you can place it into a vase. Okay, I think that's all for the tutorial. See you soon guys. Bye bye.